The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers. Title of the video: Expanded Form of Numbers. This may look like a trivial concept for sighted children, but for blind children, understanding the expanded form in a tactile way, it will help a lot to do the addition and subtraction of numbers very easily. Now suppose I want to teach the expanded form of 9852. So how many digits are there? There are 4 digits. Now what I have done, I have taken a paper and folded it horizontally and vertically in such a way that I have made this paper into 4 by 4. That means I have made this into 16 boxes. 16 boxes. Suppose you are using a 5-digit number, then you can go for 5 by 5. So that means fold the paper vertically and horizontally 5 times so that you can get 25 boxes. Now look at the number 9852. So here the position of the number should be starting from the least number, that is the unit value of the number. So 2 is position 1, 5 is position 2, 8 is position 3, and 9 is position 4. So what we do now, let us place the value for each position. Now as the number 2 is representing the unit value, let us place the number 1 in the right column of this folded sheet. Now let us put 10 next left to the 1, because 10 is multiplication of 1 by 10. So the multiples of 10 will go to the left side of each number. So the third one is 100, which is multiple of 10, and the fourth position is 1000, which is multiple of the 100. Similarly, in the row, let us start with number 1, that is the unit. Now the next one is 10, which is multiple of 1 by 10, and the third one is 100, which is multiple of 10 by 10. Now finally 1000, which is a multiple of 10 by 100. Now this is the expanded form template. Now let us take the number 2. The number 2 is in the first position. Now first position is indicated by the unit value. So what we do, we take that 2 and place that in that box which is intersected by the row and column in the first place. So this is the first column and this is the first row, and they are meeting in a box, that is the place value for number 2. Let us take the next number 5. 5 is in the 10th column. So let us go up in the 10th column, then let us come right from the row, and then 5 is placed in the next box. Now let us go to the number 8. 8 is in the 100th column. That means you go up to the 100th column and then you come from the row, and the meeting box is the place for 8. Now let us take the 9. 9 is the fourth digit, the fourth highest digit. So that means it is in the thousands column. So you go up to the 1000 column and go up to the row, and the meeting box is the place for 9. The 9852 has been represented in the 4 columns in such a way that the 9 is in the 1000th column, 8 is in the 100th column, 5 is in the 10th column, and 2 is in the unit column. So this is nothing but what is 9, and then look at the value of that is 1000. That means it is 9 multiplied by 1000. As 9 is in the 1000th column, the value is 9 multiplied by 1000. Now 100 and 8, the number 8 is in the 100th column. So that means the value is 8 multiplied by 100, and 5 multiplied by 10, because the number 5 is in the 10th column. So that is 5 multiplied by 10. And then 2 is in the unit column. So the 2 multiplied by 1. Therefore, the value is 9852. That means it can be written as 9 multiplied by 1000 plus 8 multiplied by 100 plus 5 multiplied by 10 plus 2 multiplied by 1. So this is the expanded form of the number 9852. Understanding the position of the number, this tactile explanation will definitely help the child when we do addition of numbers, subtraction of numbers, etc. So though this may look as a trivial concept, it is a visual concept when we write like this. But understanding the position of each number with respect to the value of it, whether it is a unit or 10 or 100 or 1000, that will help the child to understand the concept effectively. And let us see how this can be used for addition and subtraction of numbers. And in the case of higher numbers, for example, suppose we want to use 5 digits or 6 digits numbers, you can make a template like this. Suppose you want to have 6 rows and 6 columns. So that means 6 rows and 6 columns. That means if you are using a 6-digit number, you can use this template. If you are using a 5-digit number, you can fold the paper and make a customized template. So this way you can use the paper folding to indicate the different types of the expanded form template. Hope this exercise is useful to the child, and let us see in the other videos.